Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to count cells with data in Excel. To count cells that contain data in Excel, you have a few different methods depending on what exactly you want to count. So first method is the counter function that counts any cell that is not empty. This includes text number, error values, and even cells containing spaces or formulas that returns or a blank string. So formula is you need to click on the cell where you want the result to be appeared. For example, in the cells, and then type equal sign, type COUNTA, open the bracket and highlight the range of cells you want to check. For example, this one. Close the bracket and press enter. This will give you the number of the cells in that range that have something in them. And for example, if you write something like fail, and here you can see that. So moreover, in the second method, if you only want to count cells that contain numerical values, use the standard function. For this you need to use the formula, put the equal signs, type count, open the bracket and select the range of cells and close the bracket, hit enter. So you can see that this will return because it only counts the numbers and this cell has the tags. So this way you can easily count cells with data in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.